Why did you choose to build a salon instead of another industry?
Actually, nagkaroon din ako ng mga ibang business aside from Arte Manila. Hanggang ngayon naman, ano pa rin, open pa rin yung passion project. This is an events company that caters to school events, especially yung mga concerts. Ongoing pa rin naman siya. We still have yung mga clients namin na regular na kumukuha sa amin, and very thankful kami dyan. Until one day, sabi ko, okay, meron pa akong parang, may purpose pa ako. May parang binibigay pa si Lord. So yun nga, yung inopen namin yung rice business, na gusto kong maging distributor. Unexpectedly, there was a calling nga na tinawag talaga ako ni Lord dyan. Which is, hindi ko alam paano nangyari yon. Basta nagkaroon ako ng vision, and I saw myself in that vision to become one of a salon owner. So, doon ako nag-focus kasi syempre coming na yan from the Lord, eh, 'di ba? Parang ano pa ba? I have so much faith na na mangyayari yung pangarap ko through opening a salon business.